Let's stay on track.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.